Alright, so here's a kind of a John old school video that I promised you guys for a while. Picked this little bad boy up. Had a coupon plus my company discount, and this is a random Valentine's card. I'll tell you where I got this in 1 second. Don't forget to hit the little dumb bell down there so you can ding and get all my notifications. Currently still a little over 2,700 subscribers, which is nuts, and I love it, so thank you guys. Alright, back to this little freaking thing. You're wondering what I'm doing with this. Oh, well, here you go. So again, this cost me about 80 cents. This is a stupid Valentine's card. But the reason why is this. So anyway, my objective here is to show you in a hacking video how this works. So I'm going to rip it open and show you its little guts. This is only part one of the video today. So here you go. See the little board, little circuitry, and the little speaker connected with a little tiny wiring. And if I cut that, it'll probably break. So there you go. As you can see, when you open up the little door here, the little thing pulls and does its thing. I'm not going to annoy you a couple more times, but I was interested to see how this works. And actually, it's kind of crazy because it just looks like it's a pin that slides. It's not even it's a sensor, but I can't really figure out how the sensor works, so. But anyway, I'm going to dig into it. I'm going to upload a part 2 video. I'm going to set this video on Premiere. And if you don't know me, add me below and get the little bell thing. There's a piece of the evidence. I ripped it apart. Get the little bell thing, and we'll figure out how this works together. So anyway, please check out my other videos. Oh, and the other reason I bought this little 50-cent fun thing is because I get paid monetized videos, and this video will make its mark by the time I even get part 2 up. So yeah, there you go. Have an awesome Monday. It's a holiday, and I know a lot of you are off, but stay out of trouble. Peace.